Right, I just thought I'd do a quick easy video on this Honda Civic for cigarette lighters. And a lot of the new cars, they're all cigarette lighters, have changed to USB ports. But on the older cars you still get your cigarette lighter. And what you can get this little gizmo that goes straight into it. It's powered by USB and for various other things like compressors for doing your cars and what have you, camping equipment and all that. So when you put it in, which is great, but if your cigarette lighter doesn't work, it's burnt out or it's got no feed or whatever, you're going to have to change it out. So just a quick easy video on how to change it out. This is on a Honda Civic, but it probably work for a lot of other ones as well. They're all pretty much the same thing. We've still got we've got a cigarette lighter and we've got an ashtray. Most of the cars don't have them these days, so just squeeze that, pull it out. And all you got to do, get one of these tools. Very, very cheap. You can get a whole set of them, and just tuck it down. These are designed for doing trim works and stuff like that. So just put it down the side and just pry it out, really, and that's it. It should come out. And you got a connector there. If you can see, you got one connector there, one connector there. It just plugs in, and you can just change it out. Get another one. Obviously, you want to make sure you got a feed going to there, because it might not be this problem. But the hardest part is, you know, just pull it out. You just literally get your new one and plug it back in again. You can buy all sorts of aftermarket stuff off the shelf. If you might want to get a Honda one off eBay, go down the scrap heap or whatever. But it's probably one of the easiest DIYs you'll do. And then just plug it in. And like I say, it's just two connectors there. It's very easy. And then just put it back in. It just goes easy enough, and then it's just a case of pushing it in. That's it, like that. Push it back in, get your ashtray if you can. God, but the camera's in the way. And then just plug it in, and that's it. Very, very easy, but it's ideal if you want to change it out. I think you can get some upgrades that are actual USBs that plugs to that's actually wired into it. But just to take it out anyway, it's very, very, very simple for a lot of cars. This is for a Honda Civic, but get one of these tools. Gets right down the side. Great for other things as well, like these panel work and things like that, without damaging it. And that's pretty much it, really. Hopefully this helps you. Very easy video, great for the DIY if who wants to fix it themselves. Thanks for watching.